instance of operator. So there is some more comparison operator called as instance of operator, which is used to test whether the object is an instance of specific class at runtime or not. So here what happened, in normally sometimes we are creating a object of class, and uh, more than one time we are creating a object of class. Okay, तो गोटे क्लास में हमें more than one time object बनाऊचे. So now we have to check whether the that particular object or the two object is giving a reference to the same class or not. For checking that, we are using instance of operator. The instance of operator is used to check whether the two object is giving a reference to the same class or not. The logical operator are used to evaluate the operand and return a boolean value. The types of logical operator we are using, one is AND operator, another is NOT operator. The two type of operator we are using, AND or OR operator. Okay, so what are the operators we are using? Eta bujhigala instance of operator. Aliva, Manoranjan, Romejit, yes.
ସେଥିରେ କଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଅଫ ମଝିରେ ଲେଖା ହବ ବୋଧେ?
Instance of
हाँ सर।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା।
So now we are coming to the logical operator.
Yes sir.
In logical operator, we have three parts. One is AND operator, second is OR operator, next is NOT operator. So three operators we are using. In case of AND operator, if true, true, return you true, true, false, return you false. Then false, false, return you false. So these are the AND operator we are using. In case of OR operator, we are using true, true, we return you true, true, false, return you true, false, false, return you false. Or excuse me. The OR operator is saying that if all the condition has true, if any one condition is true, it is return you true there. In AND operator, it is showing you uh, if both the condition are true or all the condition are true, it is return you true there. Next we are using you are using not operator. If true, then return you false. If false, return you true. It is a not operator. ହେଲା और नॉट ऑपरेटर गोटे स्टेटमेंट को लेके आमर कंपैरिजन करिवो जदि मोर ट्रू अछि ताले फॉल्स रिटर्न करिवो जदि फॉल्स अछि ताले ट्रू रिटर्न करिवो बुझियला
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir।
Yes, sir.
এটা হচ্ছে আমরা লজিক্যাল অপারেটর ইট ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট while you go for a conditional operation ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ conditional operation ପାଇଁ ଯିବା ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ multiple condition use
Yes, sir.
ତ ସେଇ multiple condition check କରିବା ସମୟରେ ଆମେ यूज କରିବା କ'ଣ ନା or operator ଆମେ यूज କରିବା ଆମେ ଯଦି and operator or operator not operator so multiple condition ଆମେ न यूज କରିକି ये सब लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर हम यूज करते हैं
Yes, sir.
and now move to the unary operator. An unary operator that require one operand is called as a unary operator. The type of unary operator is what? Now plus indicate a positive value, minus indicate a negative value, plus it is increment of value 1, minus it is decrement of value by 1. Next logical operator is invert a value. It is we are using a logical operator. With the plus indicate the positive, minus indicate the negative, plus it is increment the value by 1, minus decrement the value by 1, and another is invert a value. So it is a unary operator we are using. Okay, the unary operator रे हमें यदि +1 लिखिवा, suppose if you write plus a is a positive number minus a is a negative number, then if we are using plus if we are using plus a, it is increment the value of operand by 1. Plus a, suppose if a value is 5, then after incrementing this value is 6. Okay, so it means what? It means first increment then display the value. First you have to increment the value, then you have to display plus plus. Then when you write a plus plus, it is similar to your minus minus, a minus minus, immediately a minus minus रखिए or a plus plus. If I pass anything here, so it means first display, then increment. Now, if I write here x equals to 5, then after if you write y equals to plus plus x, so after this statement, what is the value of x and what is the value of y? Rumijit, tell me what is the value of x and what is the value of y?
Sir, x value above 6
Okay,
ଆଉ y value ବି ସେତିକି ହବ।
y value is also 6. The plus plus x means it is fast increment then display. Means fast increment to whom? Fast increment to x. So x value is 5, so it is increment the value of the x, so that is 6. So when this part becomes 6, y is also 6. So x 6 and y is 6. Okay, then if I pass x equals to 5, then y equals to x plus plus, then what is the value of your x and what is the value of y? What is the value of y and what is the value of x? Anyone? Oliver? Yes.
सर y टा हबो 5 ही रहइबो ଆଉ x भी 5 ही रहइबो।
Okay, anyone?
सर टे बुझी
Sir,
ला
x ଟା 5 ରହିବ y ଟା 6 ରହିବ।
X टा 5, x टा
x ଟା 5 ରହିବ
okay, y टा 6
y
ରହିବ.
ଟା 6
Sir.
ରହିବ।
Oliver?
सर टे बुझी लानी सर
ବୁଝୁଛି. Oliver କେତେ ରହିବ?
सर x5 ରହିବ।
y ଟା 6 ରହିବ. ଏହା ତ
Yeah.
ଏଇଟା ତୁମର ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ବସିବ ଏଇ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ବହୁତ ଆସିବ। ଏଇ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ 100% ଆସିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ପାଇଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ହେବ ବଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ when you are facing the personal round interview also you are facing same kind of problem. So this statement is saying that ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଇ ପାର୍ଟଟା ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟ୍ କରିବି it means what? X equals to 5, then y equals to x plus plus. Y equals to x plus plus means first it is increment the value, then it is display the value. First it is display the value, then it is increment. It first display karibo, then increment karibo. So y equals to x. So first display kala. So x ର value କେତେ ଅଛି?
5
5 ଅଛି, ତ y equals to କେତେ ହେଇଯିବ? Y equals to 5 ହେଇଯିବ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଡିସପ୍ଲେ। ଦେନ୍ କ'ଣ ହବ ନା ଦେନ୍ ମୋର ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ। କାହାର ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ ନା x ର ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ।
x ର
x ର ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ଏଠି ଦେଖିଲା
6
6 ବୁଝିଲା?
yes sir
এটা ହେଉଛି ফার্স্ট ডিসপ্লে দেন ইনক্রিমেন্ট, উপরটা ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ନା ফার্স্ট increment then display. First increment the value of x, When it is increment the value of x becomes 6 and y is also becomes 6. बुझेगा? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Jahara, anybody is not having laptop, Oliva ଆଉ କିଏ ମନୋରଞ୍ଜନ ତୁମର
Yes, sir.
ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ ସଣ୍ଡେ ଦିନ ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇମ୍ ଫିକ୍ସ କର ଆସିକି ଏଠି କରିପାରିବ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଘରେ।
Yes, sir. ସାର୍ ଆପଣ କେତେବେଳେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି?
ସଣ୍ଡେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ହାଫରେ ପୁରା ରହିବି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା। ହଉ ସାର୍, ହଉ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି।
Unary operator. The increment and decrement operator can be applied in the prefix and postfix form. Unary operator. The operator precedes the operand. The value is increment or decrement before it assignment or operand. Okay, so unary operator, it is just working on the one value. Okay, the operator follow the operand. The value is increment or decrement after it has been assigned to the operand. This prefix and postfix जो हमें यहाँ पे देखिले unary operator. Next is we go for the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is working on the bit level. To operate an individual bit of their operand, we are using bit operator. What are the bit operators we are using? Not operator, and operator, or operator, XOR operator. So these are the different operators we are using. Not, and, or, XOR. Okay. It is working on 0 bit level. You know that computer doesn't know anything. It is only know the 0 and 1 format. Okay, so for manipulating your information into the 0 and 1 format, we are using the bitwise operator. Bitwise not, bitwise and, bitwise or bitwise XOR operator. Now comes to here bitwise AND operator. It perform AND operation on the two operand. It result 1 if both the bits are 1. Okay, 1 1 is 1, 1 0 is 0. Okay, means 0 means false. So false is false. False true hela false. True false hela false. True hela true. एटा हला हमारा bitwise AND operator. एबे मु result को जीवी 2 and 3 operator. It gives you result is 2. 0 0 0 means false is false. False is false. False is false. Then false is false. True is a true. Then false true is false. False true is false. The 2 and 3
Yes,
operator it is result you the 2 ର bit operation देखो एटी 2 ରହିଲା एटी 2 and 3 operator ହେଲା 2 बुझेला
yes, sir.
bitwise OR operator it perform an OR operation on the two operand. It result 0 if both the bits are 0 or else 1 if in all the cases. तो 0 0 hela 0 0 1 hela 1 1 0 hela 1 1 and 1 hela 1 0 0 is 0 0 1 is 1 1 0 is 1 1 and 1 is 1 माने false is false true is true true false is true true is true एटा हला all cases रे हमें जोटा लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर रे पढिले the 2 or 3 operator it result you 3 means false is false is false true is true false true is true.
True.
2 or 3 operator it is result you 3 here.
Yes, sir.
सर एटी 2 ଆଉ 3 ଜିନିଷଟା କଣ?
2 is a number, 3 is a number, but it is represented in the bit operation. One byte is how many bit? 8 bit. तो 8 bit रे हमको एटी रिप्रेजेंट कराई छी चारटा 8 bit रे रहला बुझिला।
हां हां आगे 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 तो तार रिजल्ट जो 3 होची सेटा केमिति 3 होची?
बीट रहियो तमे तले कंप्यूटर नंबर सिस्टम जोटा पढ़ी दियो ताको हम जदी करिवा कन्वर्ट करिवा
आगे
से ए फॉर्मेट रे आसीबो 8 बिट फॉर्मेट एटा आसीबो।
हां
बेटा तुमको एक पेपर रे करी देखैबी एटा होची हमें धर 3 को 2 रे डिवाइड करिवा
आगे
2 1 जा केते आसीबो
2
2 तमर रिमाइंडर केते रहइला रिमाइंडर 1 रहइला
आगे
बुझिला
आगे
रिमाइंडर एठी रहइला 1 रहइला माने 2 1 जा 2 रहइला तापर पुनी तमे आउ केते डिवाइड करिवो पुनी 1 को डिवाइड करिवो जेते रहइला केते डिवाइड करिवो तो 1 1 जा केते आसीबो तो तमर केते आसीला कि 1 आ 1 आसीला तो 3 टा केते 1 आ रिप्रेजेंट हला तापर आउ जति कि नंबर सब रहइला ई सब कोन रहइबो आउ 6 टा जाक नंबर तमरे 0 आसीबो बुझि परछो
तमे कोन टोटल को ऐड कर देला लास्ट को?
हां तुम्हें गोटे मिनिट गोटे पेपर रे देखो छी
आगे आगे
ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ଦେଖେଇଛି ଡେସିମଲ ଟୁ ବାଇନାରୀ ए रिजल्ट देखो जो स्क्रीन टा विजिबल होची
आज्ञा सर सेटा लोड हो चुके
एडी देखो जोरी एबे आसीला देखो
आज्ञा
समस्त 3 नंबर टा नियो 3 नंबर को तमे 2 रे डिवाइड करो तो केते आसीबो 2 1 जा 2 हमारा रिमाइंडर केते रहइला 1
1 जा 2 1 रहइला एबे
एठी तमर कोन रहइला तमर आउ तोर रिजल्ट केते आसीला 1 आसीला तो तमर कोन आसीला 1 आउ 1 तळे आसीला 1 and 1 इतर आसीला तमे दीटा 1 दियो आउ चारटा जो वैल्यू रहइला ता पई सब कोन रहि आउ 6 वैल्यू पई को 0 0 0 रहइला
0 रहियो
ओटा 0 रहइला दीटा 1 रहइला आउ जदी मु 2 टाकू करिवि माने 2 टा आउडा अछि 2 टाकू मु पुनी ये करिवि बाइनरी करिवि 2 1 2 रिमाइंडर केते रहइला 1 कॉम्प्लेक्स रे 1 रहले आउ जो पार्ट रहला सतरा घर कोन रहइबो 0 रहइबो
0 ରହିବ।
बुझी होची कार डाउट रहउची
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
तो से
ଜାଣିଲି।
से रिप्रेजेंटेशन रे जाई
ଓ ଛୋଟବେଳେ ଯୋଉ ବାଇନାରୀ ଜିନିଷ ପଢିଥିଲେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଏଇଟା ବୋଧେ।
ସେହି ଜିନିଷରେ ଏଠି ପଢା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
देखो बुझेला तुमने कितने आसरे 2 1 जा 2 तुमने
ହୁଁ
आसरे कितने 0 तो
ହୁଁ
0 1 0 1 रहला आउ जहां
ହୁଁ
सब जगह रे कोन 0 रहला छोटा करे सब 0 रहला
0 पुट କରିଦେଲା ହଁ 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 ହଁ।
बुझी
ହୁଁ
बीट वाइज रिप्रेजेंटेशन 2 1 3
ହୁଁ
बीट वाइज 2 1 3 रहला 2 एठी जेमती 2 और 3 रा रिजल्ट आसीबो 3 ये जो रिजल्ट आसला का से तो मैच करू या तुम्हारा 3 से तो
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଓ ଲାଷ୍ଟଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛେ ସେଇଟା କାହା ସହିତ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରୁଛି ବୋଲି ଆମେ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଲେଖୁଛେ।
ଏଟା ହେଇଗଲା ଏଟା 3 ହେଇଗला ଏ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଟା 3 ହେଇଗଲା
ହଁ 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 ସେଇଟା 3 ସହିତ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରୁଛି ହଁ 3 ହେଇଯିବ। ବୁଝିଲି ସାର୍
ଆଉ କାହାର डाउट ଅଛି
नो सर।
এটা তুমি नंबर सिस्टम पढिथिबो मैथमेटिक्स रे तुम 10th क्लास रे सीबीएसई हो हम एचएससी बोर्ड हो सब करे
यस सर।
बीट वाइज नॉट operator it is a unary operator it is used to perform the not operation on each binary number if it is 0 then it is 1 if it is 1 then it is 0 माने false हेले true होबो true हेले false so it is a unary operator means it is working on a one operator okay so it is also called as the bitwise complement operator is used to invert a complement each of the bit of the binary number so 2 not 3 means not 2 is minus 3 okay XOR operator bitwise operator bitwise XOR operator it perform XOR operation on the two operands it result in 1 if exactly one bit is 1 or else 0 नहीं तर मन आसीबो 0 0 0 आसीला 0 1 is 1 ला माने कोन रहउजी जदी जे कोनोसी गोटे बिट जदी मोर ट्रू हला तारे ट्रू रहइबो किंतु दीटा को ट्रू रहले फॉल्स रहइबो और दीटा को फॉल्स रहले फॉल्स रहइबो false false is false true true is false false true is true true false is true तो एटा हला मोर XOR operator
एक्सेल ऑपरेटर।
clear
यस सर।
आगे सर
2 cap 3 operator is 1 means 0 0 0 1 1 is means both bit are 1 1 then 0 0 1 is 1 okay
यस सर।
then we move to the shift operator so what is the work of shift operator we cover here right shift operator it perform the arithmetic sign right shift the result of the shift is that the first operand is divided by 2 raised to the number of times specified by the second operand means 128 right shift operator 1 that means 128 divisible by 2 to the power 1 so 2 to the power 1 is 2 128 divided by 2 is 64 256 right shift operator is 256 divided by 2 to the power 4 is 60 256 right shift operator 4, that means 256 divided by 2 to the power 4, that is minus 60. Okay, माने आमे जति एठी जहा पास करियो 256 right shift operator 4, that means 256 divided by 2 to the power 4, means what are the value you are passing here, it becomes 2 to the power of that value, that is called the right shift operator. Any doubt?
तो लास्ट एग्जांपल टार बोधे से माइनस टा छाड़ जेतु
Last example एटा by mistake minus ता छाड़ दियो.
आगे सर आगे
आउ सब बुझिला मनोरंजन अलिवा
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस लक्ष्मीकांत कहलो.
Yes, sir.
Then left shift operator is what, it is multiply the number 128 into 2 to the power 1, that 2 to the power of 128 2 to the power 1 means 128 into 2 is 256. 16 into 2 to the power 2, 16 into 2 to the power 2 is your 64. Okay,
आगे सर
Yes, sir.
राइट शिफ्ट रे डिवाइड होतला लेफ्ट शिफ्ट रे मल्टीप्लाई हो
multiply.
आगे
Next we are using another operator that is called the ternary operator. The ternary operator, it is used, you have a logic, yes, will not cover the if else condition, but as you know some programming language, then here the ternary operator example I have given. A double number, we are passing a number minus 5.5 string result, we are defining a variable. If your number is greater than 0.0, then it is showing you positive number. If your number is not greater than 0.0, it is showing you not positive. So here हम एठी पास कले कोन minus 5.5, तो एठी हमहु शो करिवो not positive number. This is a ternary operator. So here it is showing you first हम एठी गोटे नंबर नेले minus 5.5 string result गोटे variable define हला result equals to मु जो नंबर टा नै छी से नंबर टा जते greater than 0.0 हला ताले फर्स्ट पॉइंट वैल्यू टा रिजल्ट शो करियो पॉजिटिव, जदि ग्रेटर न होला ताले नॉट पॉजिटिव देखियो. तो एटा जेहेतु हम माइनस पास करी छे तो जेटा मते नॉट पॉजिटिव देखियो. Okay, it is showing you not positive. Take some time. It's showing you it is a not positive. Okay,
आगे सर
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आपण